Hi guys. Today I am going to show you how you can get a free SSL certificate for your website. For the demonstration, I am going to use the blog website we created in my previous video 4 days ago. For those of you who haven't watched that video, I'll put the link in the description below. You may also find it if you click on the top left corner of this video, exactly here. Before we proceed with this video, I just want to remind you that this is the second video in the series on creating an affiliate website promoting Amazon and eBay products. The series is expected to be completed in a couple of weeks, and it is expected to include 4 to 6 videos. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the forthcoming related videos. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. If you go to your website and you see this, "Not secure" message on your browser, it means that you don't have an SSL certificate installed. Now, if you want to change this message into a secure lock symbol, you need an SSL certificate for your website. This will make your visitors trust your website. As I said in the introduction, I am going to use the blog website we created in my previous video. The site is WPGoPro.club, hosted on SiteGround. If your website is hosted by another provider, don't worry, as the process is similar with all providers. So, let's log in. Now click on Websites to get to your website. This page provides some extra services for your website. Here on the right column you see the SSL and you click on Add. There are 3 options for the SSL certificate. You may go with any of the first 2, which are free. I will try the first one, on the left column named Let's Encrypt SSL. So scroll down and click on Activate. This page is the site's dashboard on SiteGround. On this page you may notice the certificate, Let's Encrypt, is already active. Actually, the service did turn active right now, because the date is 4 days ago. It took place during the WordPress installation, as I checked for SSL activation as well. However, I never concluded the steps required, so let's run this from the beginning. Just to confirm what I am saying, let's go to the website to check it. I refreshed the website and as you can see, it is still marked not secure. So, let's return to the site's dashboard on SiteGround. I could just stick with the service, Let's Encrypt, but I prefer to install the Let's Encrypt wildcard as well, as I want to cover all possible URLs, including www. So, click on Select SSL and select Let's Encrypt wildcard, then click on Get. The service is installed. You may see that in this window. However, if we go to the website and refresh the page, you see we still get that not secure message. So, did something go wrong? Let's return to the site's dashboard on SiteGround. Now click on the button Configure HTTPS. We go to a page with some instructions we should follow for making SSL work. As the first option instructs us, we must enable HTTPS from a plugin already installed on our website. The second option is to enforce HTTPS through site tools from the site's dashboard. This second option is not the recommended one, and it should be used if the first one didn't work. The Enforce HTTP option can be enabled from here. I am going to enable it, just to show you that it doesn't work if you skip the first step. I refresh the page and I still get the message, not secure. So, let's go to the website's dashboard on WordPress. Log in as an administrator. Go to the plugins section and check the plugin SiteGround Optimizer is already installed and activated. I go to the plugin settings. In the Environment and Optimization tab, I click Enable HTTPS. I get a warning message saying I will be logged out, and this makes sense, so I click Confirm. I log in again and let's check our site now one more time. As you can see, we have successfully installed the SSL certificate. So guys, I am going to proceed with our blog in the video in 4 days from now. So this Saturday will be the next step. As I have already explained, our goal is to make this blog an affiliate website promoting Amazon and eBay products. If you follow the series, you will be able to create your own affiliate blog by yourself. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. My name is Nick and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this. Don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.